This area here is the Fountain Hills area, and this is a viewing point. Thought it was kind of interesting. We're on our way to look for the fountain that's out in this area. Okay, this is Fountain Hills Lake, and we came out here to see the fountain, which is supposed to be one of the largest fountains, but we didn't realize that it only runs once an hour, and right now it's 3:09. I guess it ran about 10 minutes ago, so we'll have to come back on the top of the hour.
Okay, the fountain was put in 1970. It was the idea of the guy who created the master plan for this development. The fountain's nozzle was built in Switzerland. It weighs nearly a ton and is more than 7 feet in length. The fountain operates every hour on the hour from 9 to 9 daily, forming a 33-acre, million-gallon lake. The fountain reaches a height of 330 feet with only 2 pumps. On special occasions, they use a third pump, and it attains 560 feet. If the winds are over 10 miles an hour, the fountain is turned off. So we'll hope it doesn't get rainy.
And we'll try to come back at the top of the hour. Come out here to watch the fountains. There is a really nice playground out here and a pavilion area, and bathrooms. Though they are not air conditioned, they do have running water. And there is a splash pad down that way. And I'm tempted to go get my feet in it. Okay, starting up. A vertical shot might be better. This is Not zoomed in too much. I still can't get it all in my... It's supposed to be one of the tallest water fountains. How far back would you say we're sitting?
Oh gosh, a couple 100 yards.
Yeah, so if we were closer, it would look a bit bigger. I can barely get it in the screen now.
That was all. That's all, folks.
Now don't play anything copyrighted. Here too.
before at other kids' museums, but not as many as they have here. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh, there's a whole bunch of them.
That children's museum in Tulare that we took Emma to had some of these, but not nearly as many. She would love this.
Not as much tone there.
Yeah, I think that one that you were playing, the very first one, had the best.
Yeah.
Now that one sounds good. Who says these kind of things are for kids? If our older son were here, he'd be all over this stuff. Best thing is, it's in the shade. This is like singing bowls.
These would put out more sound if they were turned the other way.
Yeah. We have a couple of singing bowls, so. Okay, this is supposed to be Fountain Hills Botanical Gardens. It's a trail that is about 0.6 of a mile. That kind of a trail. There is parking for about 5 cars. And there is a handicap parking space, so they must consider this trail to be handicapped accessible. We're still hoping to find where this water fountain is. It's supposed to be one of the largest. Okay, apparently this is the second one of the botanical exhibits that we've passed. Although there's some nice cactus out here, too. The trail starts going downhill, so I'm not really sure that this is handicapped accessible. And this is the next one. I definitely would not call this handicapped accessible. And I would probably recommend coming in the winter. It is got a lot of pretty cactus. There is another sign here.